What's up, y'all? This is your man Bobby Washington, producer, singer, songwriter, and filmmaker. I'm back with another video about Womply site being down. I appreciate the overwhelming love and comments and thanking me for actually easing your minds at what's going on with the maintenance over there. I had a question. Someone asked me, it said short and sweet. Jason G, shout out to you, Jason G. It said short and sweet and useful, subscribed. But how did you know that this is they're just updating their site? Well, there's a link. I'm gonna click on it right here. I just gave it to Jason under his comment. I'm gonna click on it right in front of you guys. See, check your status. It says site maintenance. We're performing some maintenance at the moment. If you apply through the PP lane, you may check your status by logging in to your login account. So they're doing site maintenance across the site, and that would cause issues, obviously, for any kind of site. So this is how we know, okay? All right, please subscribe to my channel if you find these videos useful. I do have some beautiful music out there under Bobby Washington. If you like R&B soul music, check me out. My links are below. And I do have a couple films that I produced and directed and starred in as well, and those will be below as well. So please subscribe. I appreciate you guys, and God bless.